Yo guys, welcome back to another trading recap. So today we made one trade and I'm about to explain. So first of all, I just want to say I did not check for news cuz it was my first day of school, so I was kind of distracted cuz I was kind of worried my teacher might care that I was, on my computer, but they do not care, so that's good. So now we know. But yeah, I did not check news. I was being dumb. Entered like right here. I'm about to explain this whole trade, but I just want to say what I entered off of. So we entered off this break a structure and reaction off this 1 minute FEG and break a structure. So yeah, we entered that on my live account. We didn't know there was news at 10. We got lucky. News was bearish. Boom, comes down, and I just immediately exit because I didn't know there was news. It was a dumb trade. I should have checked. So that was an okay place to exit my trade. But I know I did say like, yo, I need to stay true to my stop loss, take profit. But today was a very special case. Like I need to be checking if there's news. But good news is, on my live account, I entered like this or something, and we wrote it all the way down to here on my live, and it was like we made like 250 from that. It was like an 80% gain on the options, on the puts. So that was a really good trade, nice trade. We put in like 300, we got at like 250. So we're at like 3K on the account. Um, so yeah, that's that. And then, bro, today was a pretty easy day because basically on NQ, right? We took out this low already, okay? NQ, we took out this low. But on ES, we did not take out this low yet. You know what I'm saying? Or is that even the right trade? Yes, it is. We did not take out this low yet on ES. And what do we know about ES? ES is the lagging index. So we know that ES is probably going to lag behind NQ, and it's probably going to follow in its footsteps and come down and take out this draw on liquidity right there. And as we can see, that's exactly what it did. So it actually made an SMT here, I believe, but I don't think those are too valid in my opinion, because what's it called? I mean, it also might have been because of news, but usually, since ES is a lagging index, an SMT like that doesn't really work. But I mean, it could, I guess. So we just gotta see. But in most cases that I've seen, it doesn't really work. So I kind of ignored that for now. I was ignoring it as long as we kept going, continuing on the downtrend. I would keep ignoring it, but yeah, that's what happened. I mean, we continued on the downtrend, and we took out this low. ES followed behind NQ, like I predicted, and then yeah, so that's pretty much the daily buy. Oh yeah, another really big thing is that we took out these daily highs right here. These are equal right here. We took out these equal highs on ES. And on NQ, we did not take out those. We have this little bearish SMT right here. I think like this or something. Daily bearish SMT. So it does look like we're going to continue lower. Um, let's just make sure. Yeah, so we got like this little SMT. So it looks like we're going to keep continuing lower. On NQ, looks like we are definitely headed down for equilibrium at this point. Probably tomorrow we're gonna have another bearish day overall. I say the least we do is hit equilibrium. I mean, we'll see if we hit it in Asian session. Hopefully Asian session does like some consolidation, in London session and whatever, make some highs that we can sweep, and then we can get that short setup. But I mean, yeah, I did predict that it was gonna come down, hit this equilibrium eventually. I think I predicted that like last week, but we have just been consolidating. So, but we're finally, looks like we're gonna have this breakout. I mean, we have only down candles on the 1 hour, only down candles on the 4 hour. I have this, actually pretty strong. I would say this is a strong break on the daily, just because we started all the way down here, came all the way down, and we broke structure pretty firmly. Not even close really. So, yeah, I think we're going to continue down tomorrow. So my bias is still probably going to be shorts, unless we do like some retracement, but I think we're going to take a short if we trade. So yeah, that was the trade I took. So we're break even on the account because, like I said, we exited as soon as I realized like, oh shoot, there's news. Like I definitely should not have taken this. I don't know if I already said this or not. I might be repeating myself, but the trade I should have taken was off this news candle close. We see this big leg down. First of all, we see news is bearish. We see a bearish reaction. We're in this 1 minute FEG, so the bearish reaction makes complete sense. We see this big close. We could have entered this. Stops here, and then TP at the low right here, and boom, that also would have been a decent trade. But yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's it from me. Oh, we made 250 on live, so that's good. Try to get this live account to 10K, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.